In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a journal entry QuickBooks tutorial. If you've ever posted a journal entry by mistake or need to remove one that's no longer needed, I'll walk you through the exact path to find it and delete it safely. Keep in mind, deleting a journal entry removes it from your books and can change your reports, so be sure you've selected the right entry before you proceed. Start by going to the search bar at the top of your QuickBooks screen. This is the quickest way to locate specific transactions without digging through multiple menus. When the search options appear, choose Advanced Transaction Search. This opens a dedicated search window designed to filter and find exactly what you're looking for. Next, change the transaction type to Journal, so you're viewing only journal entries. This filter narrows your results to the entries you've posted through the Journal module, which makes it easier to avoid deleting the wrong type of transaction. While you're here, it's helpful to set a date range if you know roughly when the entry was created, or if you're cleaning up a specific period. You can also use more filters to find the journal you want to delete. Filters like amount, memo, reference number, or the accounts used can quickly zero in on the exact entry. If you collaborate with others, filtering by who created the entry can also help. The goal is to get to one clear match so you're confident you're removing the correct transaction. Now, click on the journal entry you want to delete to open its details. Take a moment to review everything: the date, the accounts hit on both debit and credit sides, the total amounts, and any memo or reference notes. If something looks off, back out and refine your filters rather than deleting the wrong item. Then, at the bottom panel, click the More button and select Delete. QuickBooks may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the entry, since this action can't be undone from the register. Once you confirm, the journal entry is removed from your books, and related balances and reports will update accordingly. If you ever need to review what happened, remember that the audit log will show a record of the deletion, including when it occurred. And there you go. You've located the journal entry through advanced search, filtered your results, reviewed the details, and deleted it from the More menu. That's all.